The world feels smaller than ever, a global village connected by threads of travel and technology. We can video call family from across the globe and hop on a plane to experience new cultures in a matter of hours. But this interconnectedness can be deceptive because stability is fragile. The systems we rely on, the peace we take for granted, can be disrupted in an instant. We pack for weather and culture, carefully selecting clothes and gear appropriate for our destination. We research local customs, learn a few basic phrases, and anticipate the joys of discovery. But rarely do we pack for the unthinkable, the unexpected crisis that can turn a dream vacation into a desperate situation. Conflict, war, the sudden eruption of violence that throws entire regions into chaos. Or closed borders, the swift and absolute severing of connections, leaving travelers stranded and vulnerable. A peaceful destination, a place of relaxation and enjoyment, can become a conflict zone overnight, transforming familiar streets into scenes of uncertainty and danger. This isn't about fear. It's not about succumbing to anxiety or letting potential dangers paralyze you. It's about being prepared, about equipping yourself with the knowledge and resources to navigate unforeseen challenges with confidence and resilience. Geopolitical tensions can flare up with little warning, escalating rapidly, and impacting travel plans in unpredictable ways. Suddenly, your priorities shift, your focus changing from sightseeing to survival, from leisurely exploration to urgent problem solving. Knowing what to do in those first hours, those critical moments when information is scarce and uncertainty reigns, can make all the difference between a manageable inconvenience and a life-threatening situation. Preparation empowers you, transforming you from a vulnerable tourist into a resourceful and capable individual, giving you a mental checklist to cut through chaos, providing a framework for clear thinking and effective action when panic threatens to overwhelm. When crisis hits, when the unexpected becomes reality, your ability to act decisively is your greatest strength, your most valuable asset in navigating the challenges ahead. This guide will walk you through, step by step, immediate actions, the crucial steps to take in the first moments of a crisis, making contact, connecting with the resources and support networks that can provide assistance, packing essentials, assembling the supplies you need to ensure your safety and well-being, and keeping loved ones informed, maintaining communication with family and friends to provide reassurance and seek support. Even in isolation, even when facing seemingly insurmountable obstacles, you're not alone. There are resources, support networks, and inner reserves of strength to draw upon. There's a path forward, a way to navigate the challenges and emerge stronger on the other side. It starts with your next step, with taking decisive action and embracing the power of preparation. When conflict erupts, your first priority is immediate physical safety. Seek secure shelter, don't be a bystander. If in a hotel, stay put. If outside, get indoors fast. Move away from windows, ideally to an interior room or basement. Avoid government buildings, military sites, and crowded areas. These are likely targets. Stay inconspicuous and blend in. Trust your instincts, but stay calm. Panic clouds judgment. Secure your position first, don't rush to plan your escape. Safety is the foundation for every next step. Once you've reached a safe location, your immediate priority should be to contact your embassy or consulate. These diplomatic missions are established to assist and protect citizens abroad, especially during times of crisis. They are your lifeline to the outside world, offering guidance, support, and a crucial link back to your home country. Before embarking on any international journey, always have the contact information for your embassy or consulate saved in your phone. It's also wise to have it written down on a piece of paper and stored separately with your travel documents. Redundancy is key in emergency situations. When you reach out, be prepared to provide essential information. Start by clearly stating your name, followed by your passport number, which is crucial for identification and verification. Provide your exact location, including street address or GPS coordinates if possible, and clearly identify who you are traveling with, including their names and passport information if you have it. Prior to your trip, register with your government's Citizen Traveler List or program. For example, the U.S. offers the Smart Traveler Enrollment Program, or STEP. This registration ensures that you receive timely updates and important safety information, including details about potential evacuation procedures and assembly points. Keep in mind that during a crisis, phone lines can become overwhelmed, so be persistent in your attempts to connect. Try multiple communication channels such as phone, email, and messaging apps. It's also advisable to follow the official social media accounts of the embassy, as they often provide real-time alerts and updates on the situation. Remember that patience is key, as embassy staff are likely handling a large volume of requests during a crisis. By making contact with your embassy, you transform yourself from an isolated traveler in distress into a citizen under the protection and guidance of your government. Stay connected with them, provide any information they request, and diligently follow their instructions to ensure your safety and well-being. Prepare a go bag for quick evacuation. Pack only essentials, include travel documents, digital and physical copies, medications, first aid, power bank, cash, food, water, and sturdy clothes. Your phone is vital. Conserve its battery and use it only for essentials. Rely on embassy alerts and reputable news sources for information. Avoid rumors and unverified social media. Stay ready to move at a moment's notice. Keep your bag light and accessible. Being prepared means you're not just waiting, you're ready for action. Information and preparation are your best tools. Stay alert, stay packed, and stay informed. Contacting family is crucial for reassurance and support. Be calm and clear. Start by confirming your safety. Share your location and embassy registration. Ask one person to relay updates to others to conserve your phone battery. Give them embassy contact info and any case number. Set a check-in schedule and agree on a code word for emergencies. Keep messages brief and factual. Be honest about the situation, but emphasize your plan and safety steps. Your calmness helps your loved ones support you. That connection is a source of strength for both sides. While waiting for official help, local resources can be lifesavers. International hotels, places of worship, and hospitals run by aid groups often serve as safe havens. Watch where locals go and avoid deserted or dangerous areas. Trusted locals, like hotel staff, can offer valuable advice. Blend in, dress simply, avoid flashy items, and keep a low profile. Don't draw attention to yourself. Your goal is to be invisible. Use local knowledge to find unofficial sanctuaries. Stay alert and flexible as the situation evolves. Survival means adapting and respecting local cues. Being trapped in a war zone is an experience no one ever wishes to face. The uncertainty, the fear, and the constant sense of danger can feel overwhelming. It's a situation that tests the limits of human endurance and resolve. It's okay to feel scared. It's a natural response to such extreme circumstances. But remember, resilience is your greatest asset. It's the inner strength that allows you to navigate through the darkest of times. It's the ability to bounce back, to adapt, and to keep moving forward, even when everything seems impossible. Tap into that strength, it's there within you. You've already taken the right steps, proactive measures that demonstrate your courage and presence of mind. These actions are crucial for your safety and well-being. You've found shelter, a safe haven amidst the chaos. This is a critical first step, providing you with a temporary refuge from the dangers outside. You've contacted your embassy, establishing a vital link to support and assistance. They are there to help you navigate this challenging situation. You've prepared, gathering essential supplies and organizing important documents. This preparedness will prove invaluable in the days ahead, and you've informed loved ones, ensuring they know you're safe and taking action. Maintaining that connection is crucial for your emotional well-being and theirs. Help is working behind the scenes, tirelessly coordinating efforts to ensure your safety and eventual evacuation. Even if it feels slow, know that progress is being made, even when it's not immediately visible. Patience is key during this time. Trust the process, even when you don't understand it. Have faith that the systems in place are working to bring you to safety, and follow instructions carefully. Adhering to the guidelines provided by authorities is paramount for your safety and the safety of others. Support others if you're not alone. Offer a helping hand, a listening ear, or a comforting presence. If you are alone, create routines to maintain your sanity. Structure and normalcy can provide a sense of control in a chaotic environment. Small acts of normalcy, like reading a book, drinking tea, or engaging in a hobby, can provide a much-needed sense of calm. These small acts help you stay grounded, preventing you from being completely overwhelmed by the situation. Remember your reasons for getting home, the people you love, the life you cherish, the dreams you hold dear. Let them anchor you, providing you with the strength and motivation to persevere. The journey may be hard, filled with challenges and uncertainties, but it's possible to overcome these challenges and find your way back to safety. You'll carry the strength of this experience forever, a testament to your resilience and courage. There is hope, even in the darkest of times, a glimmer of light that guides you forward. There is help available, dedicated individuals and organizations working tirelessly to support you, and there is a future waiting for you, a future filled with possibilities and the promise of a new beginning. Stay strong, you will make it home. Keep believing, keep fighting, and never give up hope. Your safe return is the ultimate goal, and it is within reach.